Hi there, let's talk about thumbnails. My name is Afagza Sifuna and you all are much welcome to my YouTube channel. I hear a lot of times creatives out there and even people giving advice with regards to how to grow on YouTube saying thumbnails are powerful and matter of fact among the key things you need to consider to ensure you get views and more views on YouTube, which by the way I agree with, because thumbnail is the first impression which someone is gonna have of your video and even of you before they decide whether to click on your video or not. But also, I have a varying opinion. My view of thumbnail is that thumbnail is essentially the summary of your video and the communication of truthness or you being a liar on YouTube. And I'm saying this because YouTube algorithm has a way of aligning everything out there. In case you put a catchy thumbnail on YouTube and yet you lie to your audience, based on your audience behavior, YouTube is gonna find a way of slowing down your video or even slowing down your channel in case most of the times you lie in your thumbnails. So as a creative out there, ensure your thumbnails are as accurate as possible. As you're aiming to be catchy on the platform, remember also truthfulness is key. Whatever you have in your thumbnail, ensure if it's extremely catchy out of this world, also ensure it is in your video. You can't have something from the skies and then say something else in the videos. This is gonna leave your audience disappointed. But if you live up to the expectation with regards to what is showing on the thumbnail, even if it's very catchy, is also found in the video, chances are your audience is gonna like your content. They're gonna continue watching more and more, and the process give you a high retention rate, which in essence YouTube likes, and you're gonna see your channel blow up pretty quick in no time. But if you're perpetually lying, woe unto you, because your channel is gonna be on its way to the graveyard. That is my opinion about thumbnails.